Dana Osgood is tracking our bitterly cold forecast. I think it's fair to use the term bitterly for tonight.
I agree. And I've been saying over the past couple of shows that it is the coldest air coming in so far for the season. And I think it's no contest.
Yes.
Like when you look at the temperatures that I'm going to show you, I mean, I say wow.
Yes.
Because it is going to be very cold.
Too many single digits to count, quite frankly.
And even ones with the negative sign in front of it. So yes, we will have some temperatures below zero. I'll get to those in a moment. But I wanted to take a look at our radar right now because we did have a cold front move through today. We've been calling this an Arctic front because it is ushering in air from the Arctic itself. We did see some snow showers and snow squalls across the state today. At this point, most of those have since ended, but I did want to highlight there were some stronger snow squalls. You can see the snow squall warning right there in the North Shore of Massachusetts. And the turnpike from the New Hampshire border up to exit 36 in Saco has a speed limit up to 45 miles per hour right now because we did have that snow squall move through that part of the state. And even though the snow itself right now is over, likely that heavy burst of snow did leave roads fairly slick in the area. So if you are going to be traveling in southern York County, that's something to keep in mind tonight. And take a look at these overnight low temperatures. When our normal low temperature for Portland is 26 degrees, and then you see a map with single digits and temperatures below zero, you know that you are ushering in very cold air. So here's a look at our temperatures overnight tonight, single digits all the way down to the coast. And then we are still going to have a wind factor tonight too. It has been fairly windy across the state today. The winds will start to calm down as we get to around midnight, and then during the day tomorrow, they won't be quite as strong, but it'll be breezy enough that it's going to make it feel very frigid during the day tomorrow. For example, our Friday morning lows, single digits and temperatures below zero, and our feels like temperatures, even all the way down to the coastline, feeling like 0 degrees or feeling below zero. And our temperatures aren't going to warm up that much, even as we get into the weekend. High temperatures in the 30s, our normal high of 42. Another Arctic front brings in colder air for Monday once again, and a little bit of a warm up during the middle of next week, but still we're not even reaching our average high temperature for this time of year. So a cold stretch is the name of the game for the 7-day forecast. So overnight tonight, we are going to lose the rest of those snow showers, lose a lot of our cloud cover. That does contribute to our overnight low temperatures getting so low. And then during the day tomorrow, we'll see a good bit of sunshine. However, I don't think it's going to feel very warm. And then during the day on Saturday, we see an increase in cloud cover. There will be some moisture around, so you might see a flurry or a light snow shower, but not too much to expect over the weekend. Marine forecast sees 4 to 6 feet. Water temperature is 47 degrees. We'll take a look at that 7-day forecast. So a good bit of sunshine tomorrow, but we might even set some record low temperatures for the cold feel that we'll get early tomorrow morning. And then on Saturday, we will have a couple of snow showers or snow flurries around. Not expecting too many of those though. And Brian, we get cold again as we get into the beginning of next week. When you see a high temperature of 25, remember you only get to 25 for a little while. Most of the day is spent colder than that.
I know, I love you. You've been using air quotes for our warm-up for the weekend.
Our warm-up.
Doesn't really
count. It's all relative.
Yeah, that's right. All right, Dana, thanks so much.